Hi everyone, it's me, Candace, your favorite YouTuber. I have a dog called Max and he is so cute. So cute, I love him so much. So I am currently single. Men, please stop hitting me up. Oh my god.